Greetings, colleagues and friends. It's a pleasure and honor to connect with you once again. Well, this morning I woke up and began to reflect on some of the things that we probably have misrepresented. And I just thought maybe it's something worth sharing with colleagues. After all, this has been my question over many years. The value of plants in the eyes of you, me, and many others. If there's one thing that we have misrepresented, is actually the substantive value that is inherent in plants. Because many of us consider plants as, in fact, a reflection or characterization of those that do not have. In fact, something that is at variance with affluence. Plants like a symbol of backwardness. But guess what? If there's something on which you and me depend on every day, every hour, every minute, every second, are plants. Just for now, let's not talk about the value of oxygen. Let's talk a little about what we eat. Scan through almost 90 or more than 90% what we take in as food are plants at different levels. Whether it's the source of our starch, proteins, the carbohydrates, the vitamins, they're all sourced in plants. So plants is our reservoir of our food cluster. Plants, in fact, are also the living pharmacy on which our health, in fact, not just managing disease, but managing our holistic health, is actually supported and guided on plants. Most of the synthetic drugs now available in our drugstore or at a pharmaceutical table, its original source, or at least link, is plants. But how many of us pay attention to this relationship? None, probably, or very limited. It's called the way how our knowledge has been reconfigured or mis-engineered, because we have taken the natural as backwardness, when in fact the superiority and the value addition of knowledge is in the natural persuasion, because it is the one that is least negative impacting on our body, on our health. I want to urge all of us, and if you're a student of plant science, I want to urge you specifically. Why don't you gravitate towards exploring the non-wood products, the high-value products in different spheres, whether it's food, cosmetic, perfumery products, nutraceutical, maybe pharmaceutical products. I urge you, this is a lifeline for generation, particularly here in Zambia, in Africa. This is our unique positioning. Well, I suggest you recommend someone to visit our interface together. Like this page, let's continue to dialogue. Let's continue to share our experiential thoughts, knowledge for the good of man, good of people generally, good for our ecosystem. Until we meet again, wish you a good day. Thank you.